Now going over to question 8, we always start with the prompt, and here the prompt is asking us for the function of the underlined sentence in the overall structure. And when you're asked about the underlined portion, what matters most is the overall main idea. The underlined portion is just something that interacts with that main idea. So let's find out the main idea. So this study suggests that exposure to sunshine during the workday can lead to overly optimistic behavior. Using data from this time, they compared this many earnings to other forecasts of actual earnings. The study found that the greater the exposure to sunshine at work in the 2 weeks before a manager submitted an earnings forecast, the more the manager's forecast exceeded what the company actually earned that year. So we have the original idea is that exposure to sunshine can lead to optimistic behavior. Then we have an actual description of the experiment itself, the actual details of what was being done. And that, by the way, is what the word methodology means. And last but not least, we have the results. This is what the team found. So let's look at the answers. We're not getting a summary of the results, definitely not in the underlined part. That's more of the pink sentence. B, to present a specific example that illustrates the findings. Well, this entire paragraph is kind of one big example. And the green sentence at the beginning is just kind of telling us this is what this is an example of. So definitely not the idea that the underlined portion is only the example. The whole paragraph is the example. C, to explain the methodology. Yes, indeed, the blue sentence here is the methodology. It's how the study was done, the details of the procedure. And D, to call out a challenge the team faced. We're not really seeing a challenge. We're just seeing this is what they did. So the answer here is C.